Clipping mask is a powerful tool used by different kind of software and applications like Adobe Photoshop, Adobe Illustrator, Adobe InDesign, and recently it has been widely used by Procreate also. So this is a very powerful tool and useful tool at the same time to unleash your creativity. Get the latest updates about art, design and self-development. Subscribe to my channel Doodler and hit a thumbs up if you like it and pass them on to somebody who might like this too. What's going on everybody? So this is Doodler and welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to show you how to make interesting text effect in Adobe Illustrator with clipping mask. So without adding further ado, let's see how we can make it in one step. Okay, so let's open Illustrator and go to New. And here you can see the width is 700, height is 612, and I'm hitting OK. And here is my document where I will work. And next what I will do, I will rename the layer. Okay, so I will click on layer 1 and let's rename it as clipping mask text. So here is clipping mask text. Okay, now I will go to type tool and I will select the font Bebas Neo Regular, so you can use your own font if you wish, and I will just make it 200 pt and write CT. Okay, now I'll select and just create outlines because I want to make it a shape. Okay, click on that and ungroup it, and then I will go to Windows Pathfinder and I will select all of them and choose Unite, Alt Unite. I will click the hotkey Alt and Unite. Okay, so it will make it as a shape. Okay, and then I will go to expand appearance and make it a shape. So now I want to place the original image. I have got it from Pexel. Okay, so you can get it from Pexels here. I have given the link below in the description, so go ahead and download this image. Okay, you can choose your own image also if you wish. So this is my image. Now I'm placing it on the right position. As you can see, I'm just and now I will arrange it, send it to back, and then just placing it at the right position. Okay, so placing it at the right position, and then what I will do, I will select both and create clipping mask. Okay, so it's done. So as you can see, it's done in just one click. So it's very easy things to make. So now I will give a background to it. So I'm choosing the cyan color and I'm making a background. Okay, and just clicking it and arrange, send to back. So yeah, my background is ready. So now we can do one thing, edit contents here. So this is a cool feature. As you can see, like I can edit the position of this particular image here inside the text, and you can do it as like according to your choice. So yeah, I'm happy with that. So yeah, it's done. So that's it for today guys. I hope you have liked and enjoyed this video, and if you have learned something from this video, please do give your feedback and comments in the comment section, and also let me know about any other interesting idea about this clipping mask. Be safe, be positive, be awesome, be creative, and I will see you in the next video. Until then, pack up.